Okay, coming down the home stretch. So we have this parabolic word problem here, and they asked what the 3 means in the expression. And hopefully you guys remember by now that this is the y-intercept, and it means the starting height, so that it was thrown from a height of 3 feet. Moving on, I actually haven't read this one. Well, actually, that's not true. I skimmed it, but this is going to be a long-winded one. And this one is just ugly. I have a feeling there's probably a rubric there, and they explain it better than I could. Let's go to 40. I spent some time on 40. So if this is a linear rate, we're looking at this rate of change. So you're doing the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is 5 years. So when you do that, the rate of change, I had it in my calculator here, was 1560, I believe, is the slope or the rate of change. And so then when you multiply that times 10 years to get from year 2005 to 2015, you should get 15,600. Now, in the answer key, I saw they put 51,600. I think they just made a mistake and switched the numbers around, because that should be your rate of change. Unless I've missed something, it's the wee hours of the morning, so it's possible. Also, in keeping with the theme of it being tired, for some reason, I could not reason this next one, so I just, whatever works, right? So I actually just plopped I knew this wasn't right. I knew this wasn't right. But I just put both of these in my graphing calculator, and I hit trace, and I put 5 years in, meaning I put X as 5, right? And I found that A is the one that by 5 years gave me 43,799 people, whereas this one really did not get it even close. And then again, you can use, assuming the population of the city has grown exponentially since 2000, would be the population. So again, I would just go in and hit trace and put 10 in my calculator and round it to the nearest whole number. And let's see, I think I still have the function in here. So you hit trace, hit 10, and then I get 53,288. I'm assuming that you would round down on that one, so I would have 53,000. Whole number, 289. Let's see if that's what the answer key says. Yep.